Here comes Daddy. You want to sit with him on the swing? Tell him, get your ass on the swing. I tried to jump on it and I fell. Tell him, Bastion. Tell him you tried to jump on it. There you go. Come here. Come on. What are you doing? Oh, shit.
Come here. Come here.
Get him, Ashley, get him. Get him, get him, get him. Go get him. Where's your bone? Where's your bone? It's in the house, ain't it? Go get him. Go get Daddy. Go get him. You wanna come in here? Come on. Come here. You don't know what you want to do. Come on. Come on. What? What are you doing up there? Oh, you said the magic word. Wanna go bye-byes? Wanna go bye-byes? You do? Well, get the hell down. Get down. Well, come here. No? Why don't you go sit with Daddy?
Come here.
You both yawned at the same time. Go get him.
Come here. Come here.
So I like to stay next to my mama. Don't you? That's when he'll go run off. Bastion. Bastion. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Get off my cat. Oh man. You tricked him.
Get him, man. Get him.
He says there's no squirrels. I know you look like a bum. As long as you don't hit yourself in the head again.
Well, yeah, how'd you get them chains up there? That wasn't easy.
Wanna go inside? Wanna go inside? Wanna go bye-byes? Look at that face. You're about the handsomest dog I ever saw. Come here. Come on. You want Mommy to get out of the stream, don't you? All right.